Welcome back to How We Roast Cook. Today is day 3 of no meat. And listen, friends, I am not missing a thing. All right, you see this delicious, yummy soup? Can you tell that there's no meat in it? No, it's hard to tell. But we're making 15 bean soup, okay? And usually, if you go to a restaurant and order this, you'll get like kale and a bunch of chunky tomatoes. There is just so many different ways to make 15 bean soup. So, to each their own, I just don't want any tomatoes in mine. So, here I have my 15 beans. I am going to add additional red beans. I am also adding coconut milk, spinach, and just a whole bunch of other yummy ingredients. All right, no meat, so let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the slow cooker because I have stuff to do, and that's the best thing. Either you're gonna pressure cook it or you're gonna slow cook it while you're doing your other stuff. It came with this powdery stuff that I didn't use, but I'm gonna add my own seasoning and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead, rinse it, and then add it to the slow cooker with just salt and just let the beans cook. And I am yet to drink a soup that doesn't have dumpling in it unless I go to a restaurant. My soup must have dumplings. As long as I'm at home cooking my soup, or we're at home and whoever is cooking soup, dumpling must go in it unless you're not Jamaican or you're a Jamaican that doesn't like dumpling. And I have this weird thing as well. If I am making dumpling for pumpkin soup, it must be plain flour, water, salt. But if I am making dumpling for any other purpose, cornmeal must go in it. So I'm adding my flour, my cornmeal, salt, and then water, and knead my dough. All right, so I'm gonna let it sit and rest until the peas is ready. Once the peas is ready, everything going in the pot all at once. So right now I'm just prepping everything, setting them aside. So the flour, I'm just pinching them into the size that I'm gonna want them to be, cover them up, set them aside, and then we're gonna move on to our potatoes. And almost everybody in the house love corn in the soup, so I'm gonna get some corn on the cob as well, just a few pieces, chop them in small pieces. I'm cutting the potatoes in cube size. And what else? White yam. Yes, white yam. Look, Walmart, trust me, they sent me a white yam the other day that was no good, but this one hits right. It is so soft and so nice. I really, really love it. I wish every time I go back I can buy a piece of yam because this is a real deal. And I am cutting those in small pieces as well, just like the potatoes, because as I said, everything going in the pot all at once. Yes, guys, peas cooked, so everything else is going in all at once now. Everything gonna mellow down. You see why I'm adding more red peas to the 15 beans? Because I wanted the color to give it the illusion that I'm cooking Jamaican red pea soup. Alright, I'm gonna add in the dumplings same time. And let everything just cook down together along with the seasonings. I see somebody in the comments said that they couldn't do no meat because their dad was a butcher. Well, my grandfather was a butcher, darling, and we are not doing it for a long period, just for the week. People in the house are still eating meat. It's just to give other people options. If you're ever in the situation where you can't afford meat, but you have veggies, then you can, take your hands on fashion according to my grandmother. And for the vegetarians, so Doreen, hear you, girl, me hear you.
That's what I thought. Girl, if you don't go to work.
What?
I said if you don't go to work, you gotta clock in so you can be rich.
Last time I checked, you're supposed to have 3 jobs.
Her jobs are seasonal.
Hey!
Why, my buddy?
I'm still employed. I was supposed to work Saturday, but they had to cancel the game because of the weather. Saturday is supposed to be our coldest day.
What game?
I work at a sports complex. Like the game, like the tournaments they host.
Don't you work at Five Below?
No.
Seasonal.
I have one seasonal job.
That means you didn't do a good job if they didn't keep you.
No, it doesn't.
Look here, man.
Soup with no chicken. You look like a one Victorian child.
Hot water?
No going on. Don't you live in Alabama, sweet home Alabama? What do you care what I cook?
They're telling me I can't ask my mother what she's cooking.
I didn't say that, but
DK, what are y'all having?
why do you care?
Go ahead, bring me some.
Why you care if I pot water or not? That's the question.
Because she wants to know if her little sister's gonna start.
I don't care about you. What's talk or not? No, I talk about my pot water smell good. Smell so good. Make sure you don't drink none in the Kendra because I know you love pea soup, so make sure you don't drink none.
I am gonna drink some. What do you mean?
Lucky.
You know, Daddy's gonna throw a fit.
You're perfect one. As long as I'm not me.
Me and Daddy are gonna starve. And Justin too.
And we lose some weight. You lose some weight after I'm belly.
If I lose any more weight, Mr. Payton, you're gonna think I'm dying.
Alright, I'm adding just a little bit of coconut milk, not too much to take away from the beans.
Oh my god. But I don't really want to do anything for my birthday. Ooh,
We're gonna add a little spinach.
You're going to New York for your birthday. That's all I get.
Yeah, but I'm saying we can drive down to Jackson as a family and go to this one restaurant.
Last thing that's going in, some
Wait, but I haven't made
spinach.
okay,
This is the meat, okay?
Where's my thing?
Kendra, this is the meat.
What's that?
Spinach.
Spinach is the meat?
Yeah.
You know those almond moms?
Your father will appreciate you saying you sweet butter and dumplings.
Daddy will appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. But okay, look. So I have a list of my expenses from February to August. Okay. This is only of like needs though, but I mean, yeah. Okay, so February, from February 8th to 11th, I'm gonna be at my state competition. So that's 8 to 9, that's one day. 8, 9, 10, 11, that's 4 days of food. So that probably like 180 or so would be good for state. And then since I have prom early March, I need to get my prom dress in the middle of February along with my hair and stuff. I'm not gonna do my nails or anything like that.
Do you want?
Nails or anything like that.
I think I see your nose. Because when you could have not do with your nose. What's wrong with pulling out?
Girl, my nose is cute as a button. But heels, I'm probably gonna get my heels off cheap. Just for like a cute little $20. Okay, so my prom dress, wait.
Soup is ready, guys. And it is delicious. But I'm the one that cooked it, so I can't tell you. So we have a taste tester as usual.
People, this lady have me turning into a vegetarian, but let's see. It looks good. Tastes good. Tastes like it have some chicken breast.
No
really? Nice red pea soup. Yeah, it definitely don't miss nothing.
Kenja boy, how she want chicken in a pair.
Yes, Carrie, it's shot. So, remember to like, share the video, and subscribe. And also try this delicious red pea soup. No meat. Very good.
15 beans.
15 beans. 15 beans, okay. Bye.